Why are you videoing or picturing? He's begging for my hair.
No, just look that way and run.
You're putting that on Facebook.
I'll put it on something.
It's going on Facebook.
Almost done 1 mile. I have 2 or 3 more to go. Look, I'm not even sweating. And I can still talk.
It's gonna be funny when you fall off the back of that
I
thing.
know, that would be really bad.
Would it count if I did it on an elliptical for 3 miles?
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing.
Okay, because that's so awkward.
See, I almost died on one of those the other day.
Yes, you did.
Huh?
Who did? You did?
Yeah.
On an elliptical?
Yeah. Kick my ass.
Oh my lord.
Oh my
Oh
lord.
my lord.
I know,
I'm
it's
cool.
really-
Talking like Britney
So do
Spears. She probably gave it to me.
She probably gave it to me too.
You talk to mom? Are you still like taking me?
No,
Victoria.
she texted me. My phone's about to die. See the emergency stop button.
Don't. I'll be so angry.
I would have left if you would have.
Go find the Carly.
You want me to... Wait, am I taking her? Do you want to gossip with my sister?
I do want to gossip with your
He
sister.
wants to gossip with you, so can I take Carly home? Yep, let me walk over here before I leave with her.
You don't have to.
I mean, I will. Or you're gonna go with me to get Carly.
Okay.
Bye, sister. Could you even see me?
Are you like do this the whole time? Okay, good.
Yeah.
No. The no come on Facebook. That is so freaky. How do we turn this off? Turn it off. Turn it off before I drop your phone.